ಶರಣು ಸಿದ್ಧಿವಿನಾಯಕ ಶರಣು ವೇದ್ಯ ಪ್ರದಾಯಕ ಶರಣು ಸಿದ್ಧಿವಿನಾಯಕ ಶರಣು ವೇದ್ಯ ಪ್ರದಾಯಕ ಶರಣು ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ತನಯ ಮೂರುತಿ ಶರಣು ಮೂಷಿಕ ವಾಹನ ಶರಣು ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ತನಯ ಮೂರುತಿ ಶರಣು ಮೂಷಿಕ ವಾಹನ ಶರಣು ಸಿದ್ಧಿವಿನಾಯಕ ನಿಟಿಲ ನೇತ್ರನ ದೇವಿ ಸುತನ್ನೇ ನಾಗಭೂಷಣ ಪ್ರಿಯನೇ ನಿಟಿಲ ನೇತ್ರನ ದೇವಿ ಸುತನ್ನೇ ನಾಗಭೂಷಣ ಪ್ರಿಯನೇ ತಟಿಲ ತಾಂಕಿಟ ಕೋಮಳಾಂಗನೆ ಕರ್ಣಕುಂಡಲ ಧಾರಣೆ ತಟಿಲ ತಾಂಕಿಟ ಕೋಮಳಾಂಗನೆ ಕರ್ಣಕುಂಡಲ ಧಾರಣೆ ಶರಣು ಸಿದ್ಧಿವಿನಾಯಕ ಶರಣು ವೇದ್ಯ ಪ್ರದಾಯಕ ಶರಣು ಶರಣು ಕೋಕ್ಷಿ ಲಂಬೋಧರನೆ ಈಕ್ಷುಚಾಪನ ಗೆಲಿದನೆ ಕೋಕ್ಷಿ ಲಂಬೋಧರನೆ ಈಕ್ಷುಚಾಪನ ಗೆಲಿದನೆ ಪಕ್ಷಿ ವಾಹನ ಶ್ರೀ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ನಿಜ ದಾಸನೆ ಪಕ್ಷಿ ವಾಹನ ಶ್ರೀ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ನಿಜ ದಾಸನೆ ಶರಣು ಸಿದ್ಧಿ ವಿನಾಯಕ ಶರಣು ವೇದ್ಯ ಪ್ರದಾಯಕ ಶರಣು ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ತನಯ ಮೂರುತಿ ಶರಣು ಮೂಷಿಕ ವಾಹನ ಶರಣು 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 Namaskaram. It's so lovely to be in the midst of live music after so long. Thank you all for coming. Also, welcome to all the online Rasikas who are gathered today. This is Surabhi. I have the privilege and honor of being accompanied by Sri Natarajan Srinivasan on the Mridangam and Kumari Aparna Tyagarajan on the violin. Just 156 years ago, there was a boy who was born to an Asthana Vidwan, a court expert in the kingdom of the Mysore Maharajas, Shri Krishna Raja Yodayar. Now that little boy heard a concert in Mysore once and he was immediately taken. He was taken with the art, the music. He was taken with the particular Vidwan whose concert he heard. He was determined about both things. He wanted to pursue music and he wanted to pursue it from this great man, Shri Patnam Subramanya Iyer. Now that being the case, he had very little going for him except his will and determination to learn. Unfortunately, his means were very limited. His father passed away when he was just 3 years old, his mother very soon afterwards. So what would he do? He wanted this great guru. How would he go seek him? Now, fast forward, this same very boy is who became the Padma Bhushan awardee, one of the highest honors Sri Mysore Vasudevachar, whom we are here to celebrate. Now I thank Sri Subramanian Ramachandram for giving us this wonderful opportunity. Let's start off this concert with an invocation to Sri Saraswati, composed by Sri Mysore Vasudevachar in the Ragam Hindolam, set to Adi Talam. After that, we'll come back and find out how he achieved this great Guru which he did. Mamavatu Shri Saraswati, Mamavatu Shri Saraswati, Mamavatu Shri Saraswati, Mamavatu Shri Saraswati, Mamavatu Shri Saraswati.
Shri Saraswati.
Now, flashback to the young Sri Mysore Vasudevachar, just a teenage boy, and he was still already a scholar of Sanskrit. So he was determined, he wanted to seek Sri Patnam Subramanya to learn music. He was a scholar of Sanskrit, that was something he could attain. Now he made a plan. The Maharaja would visit a temple in the Chamundi Hills 2 times a week. Tuesday and Fridays he would be there. So what did Sri Vasudevachar do? He would go there. Every Tuesday and Friday he would stand there, bowing to the king, greeting him. This happened for 6 months, and the Maharaja said, I'm curious, what's up with this boy? He's here with this much promptness. Not many people know I come to the Chamundi Hills. And he was the king after all, so he sent word. He found out what was going on with this boy. He found out about his background. He found out that he was a scholar in Sanskrit, and he summoned the boy to court and say, why don't you teach the prince Sanskrit? So after several months of successful tutelage, the boy gathered up the guts. He went before the king and revealed his true intentions. Now the king, very characteristic of the generosity and patronage of arts that was so typical of the Vodayars, immediately not just accepted, but also took care of the boy. He arranged for his clothes, his provisions. He sent a letter, a personal letter to Sri Patnam Subramanya, and he also sent the boy's dakshina and sent him on his way, all the way to Thiruvayyaru, which is where Sri Subramanya resided. Now we'll come back to the story and pick up from Thiruvayyaru. After enjoying one of Sri Vasudevachar's very often sought after kirtanais in Ragam, Abheri, where he seeks after Sri Rama, set to Rettakalai Aditalam. Bhajare re manasa Shri Raghuviram Bhajare re manasa Shri Raghuviram Bhajare re manasa Shri Raghuviram Mukti Mukti Pradam Vasudevam Harim Bhajare Premanasa Shri Raghuviram Mukti Mukti Pradam Vasudevam Harim Bhajare Premanasa Shri Raghuviram Mukti Mukti Pradam Vasudevam Harim Bhajare Premanasa Shri Raghuviram Mukti Mukti Pradam Vasudevam Harim Bhajare Manasa Vijina Viduram Vijina Viduram Vishwakaram Vijina Viduram Vishwakaram Vijina Viduram Vishwakaram Sujana Mandaram रविजातिमदनं रविशशीनयनं रविजातिमदनं रविजातिवानर रविजारि वानर परिवृतं नरवरं रविजारि वानर परिवृतं नरवरं रत्नहारमणि शोभितकन्दरं रत्नहारमणि शोभितकन्दरं रविशशिकुजबुधगुरु शुक्रशनैश्चरराहु केतुनेतारं रविशशिकुजबुधगुरु शुक्रशनैश्चरराहु केतुनेतारं राजकुमारं रामं पावनजातं पावनिजा मनोहरं राजकुमारं रामं पावनजातं पावनिजा मनोहरं राजकुमारं रामं पावनजातं पावनिजा मनोहरं भजरे रे मानस श्रीरघुवीरं गोपीमोहिप्रदं वासुदेवं हरिं भजरे रे मानस Back at Thiruvayaru, the young boy, all of 19, had landed at Thiruvayaru, the great place, Tyagaraja's special place. Patnam Subramanya Iyer's home was just a few steps away. He was following all the directions. He had reached the environs around the temple, the residential neighborhoods which are called the Agraharam. He was certain that is the great door. That's where the Mahan lives. So he walks up with a lot of trepidation and awe and fear. He's going to finally reach this Guru. He goes, knocks at the door and says, Adiyen, I'm here for Sri Subramanya Iyer. Out comes a majestic figure growling. Anda Medavi Kedirveedu, he says. Who is this person? This is none other than Sri Mahavaidyanatha Iyer, who has composed compositions like Shri Shankara Guruvaram Chintayami Bhavaharam Shri Shankara Guruvaram. So this was how he made his first, perchance special occasion in Thiruvayaru happen. One very memorable. Imagine a time when such greats lived next door and created music. Now, as all students do, students enjoy their musicianship with friends. So Sri Vasudevacharya also made a lot of friends. One of them became one of his fast friends, as he calls it, who was none other than Sri Harikesanallur Muttaya Bhagavatar. Much later, he surmises in an interview that perhaps they became such thick friends because their life circumstances were so similar. Now, Sri Muttaya Bhagavatar also unfortunately lost his parents when he was just 10 years old. So he came under the care of his uncle, Sri Lingam Iyer, who thought it was not very respectable to pursue the arts. So with a lot of determination, Sri Muttaya Bhagavatar tried to master Sanskrit. And there comes the Sanskrit connection. But in 2 years' time, he realized that no, once music is in you, it has to be pursued. So he left. He ran away from Harikesanallur without telling any of his family. He landed up at Tiruvayyaru with no means. He went from door to door trying to get someone to take him under their tutelage. And finally, he found Sri Samba Shivayar, who took him under his wing. And thus was their friendship. So perhaps in a concert where we talk of Sri Vasudevachar, he would have liked for us to also remember his best friend. So let's enjoy this composition of Sri Muttaya Bhagavatar in the Ragam Valaji, which is also especially special because Sri Muttaya Bhagavatar is credited with being brought a lot of ragams into the Carnatic world, including Valaji. In this Kirtana where he says, Jalandhara Supit Haste, he prays upon the goddess who sits in the Jalandharasana, which is one of the 3 asanas in the Hatha Yoga practices, where one sits with the chin resting on the chest so that the tongue touches the roof of the palate. That's a little background into this Kirtana.
जालन्धरसुपीठस्ते जपा कुसुमभासुरे जालन्धरसुपीठस्ते जपा कुसुमभासुरे जालन्धरसुपीठस्ते जपा कुसुमभासुरे जालन्धर बालार्ककोटिप्रभे 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 पाले परिपालिसौ बालार्ककोटिप्रभे पाले परिपालिसौ बालार्ककोटिप्रभे पाले परिपालिसौ गगपदनि सा सनि नि द पद द पग सग सग गप गप गपद नि द पद पग सनि द पग सनि द पग पद नि स ग पग सग सनि द नि पद गप द पग सजालंधर सुपीठ तेजपा कुसुम बासुरे जालंधर भवरोगनिवारिणि भवरोगनिवारिणि भक्तजन परिपालिनी भवरोगनिवारिणि भवरोगनिवारिणि भक्तजन परिपालिनी 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 भवरोगनिवारिणि ಭಕ್ತ ಜನ ಪರಿ ಪಾಲಿನಿ ಭವರೋಗ ನಿವಾರಿಣಿ. ಗಪದ ಭವರೋಗ ನಿವಾರಿಣಿ. ಗಸನಿ ಸನ್ನಿತ ನಿದ ಪದ ಭವರೋಗ ನಿದ ನಿ ಪದ ಗ ಪ ಸ ಗ ಸ ಪ ಸ ಗ ಸ ನಿ ಸ ಸ ನಿದ ಪದ ಭವರೋಗ ನಿವಾರಿಣಿ. ಪಾಗ ಸ ನಿ ದ ನಿ ಗ ಸ ಸ ನಿ ನಿ ದ ದ ಪ ಗ ಸ ಪ ಗ ದ ಪ ನಿ ಗ ಸ ನಿ ಗ ಸ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ನಿ ದ ಪ ದ ಪ ಗ ಪ ಗ ದ ಪ ನಿ ಗ ನಿ ಸ ಗ ಸ ನಿ ದ ನಿ ಸ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ದ ನಿ ನಿ ದ ಗ ಪ ಸ ಭವರೋಗ. ದ ನಿ ಸ ಗ ಗ ನಿ ಸ ಗ ಪ ಗ ಸ ನಿ ದ 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 ನಿ ಗ ಸ ಸ ನಿ ನಿ ದ ದ ಪ ಗ ಪ ಗ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಗ ಸ ನಿ ದ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ದ ನಿ ದ ಗ ಪ ಸ ಭವರೋಗ. ದ ನಿ ಸ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಭವರೋಗ ನಿವಾರಿಣಿ. ಸ ಪ ಗ ಸ ಸ ದ ಪ ಗ ಗ ನಿ ದ ಪ ದ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ದ ಭವರೋಗ. ದ ನಿ ಗ ಸ ಸ ನಿ ನಿ ದ ದ ಪ ಗ ಸ ಸ ಗ ಗ ಪ ಪ ದ ದ ನಿ ಗ ಸ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಭವರೋಗ ನಿವಾರಿಣಿ. ದ ನಿ ದ ದ ನಿ ದ ದ ಪ ಗ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಗ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಗ ಪ ನಿ ದ ಪ ದ ಭವರೋಗ ನಿವಾರಿಣಿ. ದ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಗ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಸ ಗ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಸ ನಿ ದ ದ ನಿ ಗ ಸ ನಿ ಪ ದ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಗ ಪ ಭವರೋಗ. sa ni da pa da ni sa ni da ga pa da ni sa ni da sa ga pa da ni sa ni da ga sa ni da pa ga sa ni da ni da da pa ga pa da ni sa ga sa ni da ni ga sa ni da pa ta da ni da ga pa sa bha va ro ga. Dani da dani da da pa ga pa dani da ga pa dani da sa ga pa dani da dani da ga sa ni da sa ni da da pa pa ga ga sa ga sa ga pa da pa dani da dani sa ni sa ga sa pa ga sa ni da da pa ga pa dani pa ga sa ni da ga sa ni da pa da ni da ga pa da bhav rog nivarini. Gabani da da sagani da da sani da da gazani da da izani da ni da pa ga pa ga sa ga pa da pa da ni da sani da ni da pa ga sa ga pa da ni sa ni da pa ga ga pa da ni sa ga sa ni da pa da ni sa ga pa ga sa ni da pa ga sa ni da ga sa ni da pa sa ni da pa ga sa ga pa da ni sa ni da pa ga ga pa da ni sa ga sa ni da pa da ni sa ga pa ga sa ni da pa ga sa ni da ga sa ni da pa sa ni da pa ga sa ga pa da ni sa ni da pa ga pa da ni sa ga sa ni da pa da ni sa ga pa ga sa ni da pa ga sa ni da ga sa ni da pa sa ni da ga pa da bhav rog nivarini bhakta jana परिपालिनी भव रोग निवारिणी भक्तजन परिपालिनी भव रोग निवारिणी. भवरोग निवारिणी भक्तजन परिपालिनी नवशक्ति स्वरूपिणी नवशक्ति स्वरूपिणी राध हरिकेश नवशक्ति स्वरूपिणी नाद हरिकेश गपद दनि सा नि नि द प द प ग स ग ग प ग द नि द प ग स नि द प ग स नि द प ग प द नि द ग प ग स ग स नि द नि प द ग प ग स जालंधर सुपीठ तेज पा कुसुम वासुरे जालंधर. ಕಾಲಂದರ ಆ ಆ
The great Mysore Vasudevachar, student of Sri Patnam Subramanya Iyer, who falls under the illustrious Guru Sishya Parampara of Sri Tyagaraja himself. He is the third in line. He has composed over 200 pieces, kirtanais, varnams, tillanas, shlokas and more. So, he also set the entire Ramayana to tune when he was the chief of music at Kalakshetra. This great man, there are many stories of his struggle to master the art. Once, Veena Seshana made him an object of a joke in front of the entire town of Coimbatore. And he was not one to take it lying down. He instantly said, I may not have mastered my music yet, but I have my Sanskrit. So instantly on the spot, he composed a shloka. So Veena Seshana had to repent. As a token of his atonement, he offered to teach him an Attathala Varnam that he had composed. One would think this is a reward, but even this didn't come easy. Look at how he learnt this. They were both taking the train back from Coimbatore. So at every stop, Sri Vasudevachar would go running from his own third-class train compartment to Veena Seshana's second-class train compartment at every train stop and learn 2 avartanams. So 2 avartanams per stop. That is how he learnt it. We may not be able to understand this in an age of instant recordings. No wonder their music shone so bright. Among such many bright stars in the galaxy of his compositions, there was one that Sri M.S. Subbulakshmi sang in front of him at Kalakshetra. M.S. was a very keen admirer and they would often visit Sri Vasudevachar himself. So she sang Broche Varevarura in Ragam Khamas. Then she finished, she came down, she asked Sri Vasudevachar, was this to your satisfaction? And he says, I don't recognize this piece anymore. It's like a father sending away the bride, doing the best he can for the bride. Fully bedecked, she's glowing, she's happy, she's going to meet her husband. And then she comes back glowing even brighter, dazzling in diamonds. So I don't recognize this. Such has become the beauty. Now what to say between this conversation between 2 great legends? In their memory, let's revisit this composition.
Broche varevarura Broche varevarura Ninnu vina raguvara Ninnu broche varevarura Ninnu vina raguvara Nannu broche చతురానన్నాది వందిత నీకు పరాకేలనయ్యా ఓ 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 చతురానన్నాది వందిత నీకు పరాకేలనయ్యా నీ చరితము పొగడలేను నా చింత తీర్చి వరములిచి వేగమే నీ చరితము పొగడలేను నా చింత తీర్చి వరములిచి వేగమే సని ద పదని సని ని ద ద ప మ పద మ గ మ పద ని స ని ద ప మ ని ద ప మ గ మ పద మ గ రి స స మ గ మ పద మ పద ని స స రి ని 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 స ద ద ద ని పద మ పద ని స ని ద ప మ గ మ ని ద ని పద మ పద ని స మ గ రి స రి స ని ద ప స ని ద ప మ గ మ పద ని స స ని ద పద ని స ని ని ద ద ప మ పద మ గ మ పద ని స ని ద ప మ ని ద ప మ గ మ పద మ గ రి స మ గ మ పద మ పద ని స స రి ని ని స ద ద ద ని పద మ పద ని స ని ద ప మ గ మ ని ద ని పద మ పద ని ద మ గ రి స రి స ని ద పద ని ద ప మ గ మ పద ని బ్రోచేవా ఆరెవరురా నిన్ను విన్నా రఘువరా నీ చరణంబుజములునే విడజాల కరుణాల మాల బ్రోచేవా ఆరెవరురా సీతాపతే నాపై నీకభిమానము లేదా సీతాపతే నాపై నీకభిమానము లేదా సీతాపతే నాపై నీకభిమానము లేదా సీతాపతే నాపై నీకభిమానము లేదా వాతాత్మజాచితవారా నా మొరలను వినరాదా వాతాత్మజాచితవారా నా మొరలను వినరాదా ఆతురముగ కరిరాజుని బ్రోచిన ఆతురముగ కరిరాజుని బ్రోచిన వాసుదేవుడే నీవు గదా ఆతురముగ కరిరాజుని బ్రోచిన వాసుదేవుడే నీవు
In this composition, Broche Varevarura, he asks, "Who else can I ask except you? Catch hold of my hands. Please free me of my sins. Please show your kripa on me." Now, this great Vagyakara from Karnataka that he had an extreme affection for his roots. He was very quick to convey his appreciation of the 108 Kirtanais composed by Sri Pandit Devottama Jose, composed at the royal behest and set to tune by his friend Sri Muttaya Bhagavathar. So is it not right that we make a pit stop at Karnataka's great Carnatic superhero, Sangeeta Pitamaha Sri Purandaradasa? So in this composition, in Ragam Kalyana Vasantam, Sri Purandaradasa says in his Devarnama, "Innu Daya Bharadi, are you yet to get any mercy on me? You, O Krishna, to whom you vanquished the demons, Rakshasas without a blink, are not the evils of ego that I am suffering from, me and mine, thoughts, words, deeds, actions. Are they not your easy subordinates? Why are you letting me roil in this misery? Please free me of this," he says.
ಇನ್ನು ದಯ ಪಾರದೆ ದಾಸನ ಮೇಲೆ, ಇನ್ನು ದಯ ಪಾರದೆ ದಾಸನ ಮೇಲೆ, ಇನ್ನು ದಯ ಪಾರದೆ ದಾಸನ ಮೇಲೆ, ಇನ್ನು ದಯ ಬಾರದೆ ದಾಸನ ಮೇಲೆ, ಇನ್ನು ದಯ ಬಾರದೆ ದಾಸನ ಮೇಲೆ, ಇನ್ನು ದಯ ಬಾರದೆ ದಾಸನ ಮೇಲೆ, ಪನ್ನಗ ಶಯನ ಶ್ರೀ ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷ ಹರಿಯೇ, ಇನ್ನು ದಯ ಬಾರದೆ ದಾಸನ ಮೇಲೆ, ಪನ್ನಗ ಶಯನ ಶ್ರೀ ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷ ಹರಿಯೇ, ಇನ್ನು ದಯ ಬಾರದೆ ದಾಸನ ಮೇಲೆ, ಪನ್ನಗ ಶಯನ ಶ್ರೀ ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷ ಹರಿಯೇ, ಇನ್ನು ದಯ ಬಾರದೆ ದಾಸನ ಮೇಲೆ, ಪನ್ನಗ ಶಯನ ಶ್ರೀ ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷ ಹರಿಯೇ, ಇನ್ನು ದಯ ಬಾರದೆ ದಾಸನ ಮೇಲೆ. ನಾನಾ ದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ನಾನಾ ಕಾಲಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ನಾನಾ ದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ನಾನಾ ಕಾಲಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ನಾನಾ ದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ನಾನಾ ಕಾಲಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ನಾನಾ ಯೋನಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ನಾನಾ ಯೋನಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಳಿದು ಹುಟ್ಟಿ, ನಾನಾ ಯೋನಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಳಿದು ಹುಟ್ಟಿ, ನಾನಾ ಯೋನಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಶಯನ ಶ್ರೀ ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷ ಹರಿಯೇ ಇನ್ನುದಯ ಬಾರದೆ ದಾಸನ ಮೇಲೆ. ಶಯನ ಶ್ರೀ ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷ ಹರಿಯೇ ಇನ್ನುದಯ ಬಾರದೆ ದಾಸನ ಮೇಲೆ.
There are many great stories to be said about the life of this very accomplished musician, scholar, writer, composer, and many more. He lived up to a ripe age of 96 and left behind a legacy which his grandsons still continue to spread. Now we can continue to learn and study his life so much more, but let me leave you with this one story which had a very lasting impression on me. So this great man, his humility and his keen pursuit for music was such that he really wanted to listen to the practice sessions of one Sri Tirukkodikaval Krishnaiyer. This great violinist, he was very clear about not letting even a fly around his practice sessions. He would practice in the late hours of the night, all the chamber doors, windows closed. So it seems like the roads were blocked for Sri Vasudevachar. So one night during one of his routine practice sessions, he opened the window, Sri Krishnaiyer opened the window to spit his pan in the middle of his practice sessions. Where did the pan land? It landed on Sri Vasudevachar, who was sneaking beneath that window between the bushes and listening. Immediately he knew he was in trouble, so he tried to sneak away, but he got caught. Krishnaiyer saw him because he couldn't control himself, because an aha had uttered from his mouth for what he says is the best Kambodhi that he ever heard in his life. So what ensued was a volley of apologies between the two. Vasudevachar goes, "I'm so sorry. I did not mean to intrude your personal space, but that music was so precious, I thought I would not disturb you by doing this." And Sri Krishnaiyer said, "Oh my God, what a great folly has happened that this pan has ejected and landed here." And Vasudevachar stops him midway and says, No, this is my lucky gift. Saraswati has landed on me in the form of that pan from you to me. Just imagine, so go the tales. On that note, we cannot ever bring his thoughts to finish, but let's probably finish this session by heralding the next new beginning, which is coming up in the form of Margazhi. So in the month of Margazhi that is to come, let's finish with a Mangalam from the Tirupavai, composed by Andal in the Ragam Suruti.
வங்க கடல் கடைந்த மாதவனை கேசவனை, வங்க கடல் கடைந்த மாதவனை கேசவனை, உங்கள் திருமுகத்து செய்ழையார் செல்றிரைஞ்சி, திங்கள் திருமுகத்து செய்ழையார் செல்றிரைஞ்சி, அங்க பறை கொண்ட ஆற்றை அணி புதுவை, அங்க பறை கொண்ட ஆற்றை அணி புதுவை, பைங்கமலர் தன் தெரியல் வடர்பிரான் போதை சொன்ன, பைங்கமலர் தன் தெரியல் வடர்பிரான் போதை சொன்ன, சங்க தமிழ் மாலை முப்பதும் தபாமே, சங்க தமிழ் மாலை முப்பதும் தபாமே, இங்கே பரிசுரைப்பார் இரண்டு மால்வரை தோள், இங்கே பரிசுரைப்பார் இரண்டு மால்வரை தோள், செங்கண் திருமுகத்து செல்வ திருமாலால், செங்கண் திருமுகத்து செல்வ திருமாலால், எங்கும் திருவருள் பெற்று என்புருவர் எம்பார்